In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and sign in. You'll land on your main dashboard where all your plans are listed. In the left navigation, click the plan you want to work in. For this walkthrough, mine is called Website Launch. If the plan opens in Grid or another view, click Board near the top of the plan to switch over. Now we'll start by copying the link from the source task. Click the source task card in the board view. In my case, this is the task called Draft Homepage Copy. In the task details pane that slides open, click More options in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, click Copy Link to Task. Wait a moment for the copied link confirmation to appear on screen. Once you see it, click the X in the upper right corner of the task details pane to close it. Next, we'll add that source task link to the related task. Click the target task card in the board view. Mine is called Review Homepage Design. In the task details pane, find the attachments area. Click Add Attachment, and from the small menu that pops up, click Link. Click into the URL field, then paste the copied task link you grabbed earlier. Now click the Display Text or Name field below it. Type the link name for the attachment. For mine, I'm typing Related Task, then Draft Homepage Copy. Go ahead and enter yours on your end, using a clear name that tells you which task it points to. Once both fields are filled in, click Add to attach the link. Now let's confirm the tasks are linked properly. Click Add Task to save the changes. Back in the Target Task Details pane, find the new link attachment named Related Task. Draft Homepage Copy. Click the link attachment. Confirm that Planner opens the Draft Homepage Copy task, or takes you directly to that task within the plan. If a new browser tab opens instead, return to the Planner tab after confirming the link task opens correctly. The Review Homepage Design task now contains a clickable link attachment named Related Task, Draft Homepage Copy. Opening that attachment takes the viewer back to the Draft Homepage Copy task, so the two tasks are linked by a direct Planner task reference. Congratulations, you've successfully linked tasks in Microsoft Planner.